Let's take a look at this week's homework. Number one, you have a subtraction. Looks like it's going to be subtraction with borrowing, right?
I would get my lined paper, guys.
I would use grid paper or line paper, turn sideways so that you have columns and you don't go astray from your columns. Line it up. Look in your ones place. You cannot take 8 from 4. You cannot take 8 from 4 once. So you're going to have to borrow. The 4 becomes a 14. Next door becomes a 9. Next door becomes a 9. Next door becomes a 49. Now you can take 14 minus 8, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Line up your columns so you can do this. Number 2 is addition. 3, multiplication, guys. Don't forget, ones place first. 4 times 8. 4 times 3, tens. 4 times 5, hundreds. Then you'll drop a 0, add your partial products for your answer. 4, write the expression below. Subtract 2 from 6. That's this, right? No. You're subtracting 2 from 6.
From makes it flip. From makes it flip. And order in subtraction matters.
Right. And then add 4. How can we make sure that we subtract before we add? What's one way to make sure that we do our subtraction before we do our addition? Alexia?
You need to put your parentheses around 6 minus 2.
Right. If we put our parentheses around 6 minus 2, that ensures that we will do that first before we add 4. Number 5, write the expression below. Subtract 4 from 13 and then divide 24 by the difference. Use what we did in number 4 to help you do number 5, okay?
My first rotation had a lot of trouble with that, Mr.
With number 5,
Because it says subtract or divide by the difference. The difference is the difference between 13 and 4. So I would go ahead and do that with them.
I mean, 13 minus 4.
That's
and
a difference.
Then,
You're going to divide 24 by that difference, so it's going to jump in front of it.
so don't think it's 13 minus 4 divided by 24. No. It's 24 divided by the difference of 13 minus 4.
That one was confusing. That gave my last class a little trouble too. You can see why.
Read carefully.
On the order of operations, we're making a triangle. We're crossing out what we do.
If we follow our steps, this is not difficult. First we do what's in the parentheses. Then we do any exponents. There are none. Then we do multiplication or division in the same step. We do have a division in here. Then you do the adding and subtracting. Follow your guide, PEMDAS. Over in number 7, the same thing. You're going to do the parentheses first. But look, inside the parentheses, you have multiplication and subtraction. What will you do first? Of course, multiplication. That's what we do first if it's in the same step. Every step we go through PEMDAS. So in the parentheses, we go through PEMDAS. The next step, we go through PEMDAS. Each time we repeat that process back to the top. Okay. Number 8. Use the visual model to solve. It's going to look like this. 30 plus 5 times 10 plus 6. And then you're going to add your 4 quadrants together. Same here. 60 plus 5, 40 plus 4. And number 10. In the number 533, the 3 in the tens place is how much the value of the 3 in the ones place. First of all, is the tens place going to be larger or smaller than the ones? Larger. The 3, the blue, the tens place, is going to be larger than the 3 in the red. That means it's going to be an X. You're getting bigger. You're multiplying. How many times bigger?
10.
Who thinks it's 10? Thumbs up. Yeah, it's 1 space over. It's 10. If it was smaller, it would be 1/10. But it's larger. It's 10 times. All right. That's a guide to help you through the rest of the week. Your problems are going to be very similar to that.